Good evening, everybody. We got a call this afternoon from a customer whose baler that he has. He's got an older baler that went down. He called us up and said, "Hey, you guys want to come out and do a demo tonight, or could you?" And we're like, "Yeah, let's throw some stuff together and we'll be out there." So we're on our way out for Northland Lawn Sports' first ever baler demo out in the field. So wish us luck. Me and Lee are in pursuit behind the baler. We're heading out about a 15-mile or so run here. So gonna head out there. Let's get into it. Very first bale out of the 451. Didn't ramp worth the crap. Hey folks, we're out here in the field doing our baling demo. We got a couple bales down already. They're still out. Still got a couple kinks we had to work out of her. And he's dumped another bale and we're gonna go take a look at it. Get wrapped. You hear that noise? Huh? It's probably too big. Oh, he's got to put her down. It's caught now. Good morning, folks. It's the day after the baler demo. We were out until about 10. The hay was still good. The dew point was still good, so there were a few adjustments we had to go through and do to get that brand new baler set up, which is pretty normal. Other than that, the customer was pretty excited to try it out, and he is gonna run it for the weekend and see how he likes it. So we are back at the shop bright and early again this morning. It's a Saturday, my weekend work. And it's almost closing time. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to hit smash the like button on there, and if you would subscribe, that helps me out tremendously. And we'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.